How to switch account in Taobao app. Let's get started. First, launch your Taobao app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head over to the Accounts tab. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the option of switch account. Click on it. Click on the option add an account. You'll be directed to the login page. Now go ahead and select the option of your choice. You can type in your credentials or you can use these options over here to add another account. So I'm going to use Facebook. You'll need to provide the credentials for the selected option. Either it's Apple, Facebook, or the Google. Click on continue. With that, your account will be switched. So this is how you can easily switch account in Taobao. If you still want to switch account, again head towards the account tab. Navigate to the settings page. Click on switch account and select the account that you want to switch to. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.